Tigo also provides a CCA outdoor kit that consists of the CCA, a DIN rail DC power supply, and an NEMA 4R outdoor rated enclosure.
The CCA can accommodate up to 900 TS4s and up to 7 Tigo access points.
Now let's talk about the companion product to the CCA that talks wirelessly with the TS4s, the Tigo access point. The tap has a NEMA 4R protection rating and mounts underneath the module or to the rail just like the TS4s. It connects to the CCA with an RS-485 cable through one of the watertight gland seals on the bottom of the device.
A Tigo access point can accommodate up to 300 TS4s.